Hi guys, this is Stephanie. Welcome to Stephanie's Journey. For those of you who are here for the very first time, welcome. And for those of you who are returning, welcome back. If you have not been here before, I would love to have you as part of the Stephanie's Journeys family. Just click on that subscribe button below, as well as the notification bell beside that, so that you don't miss any of my videos in the near future. Today I'm bringing to you a hummus. It's going to be a roasted garlic and onion hummus. So if you're interested in seeing how I make that, then stick around and stay tuned. And if you like my shirt, please check below. There's a link to my Etsy shop and you can pick yourself one up. Okay, I have my blender here. It's high-speed blender, and I have 1 can of chickpeas. I have roasted garlic and onions. You can check up here in the little eye up above. I have a video on how to roast garlic and onion. So I roasted them and then I put them in here. So it's just half of a red onion because it was a pretty big onion. If you have a smaller one, you can use a whole one. And then this is almost a full bulb of garlic. I think I used a few pieces for something else, but it's mostly the whole thing. You can use, if you don't like the taste of garlic, you can actually use a little bit less than that. I have 2 tablespoons of lemon juice, fresh squeezed lemon juice. I just squeezed some. And I have 2 tablespoons of tahini, as well as 2 tablespoons of olive oil. And then I have here is a half a teaspoon of black pepper and half a teaspoon of sea salt. Now, I usually use Himalayan sea salt, but I didn't feel like grinding any up, and I didn't have any grinding, so use any kind of salt that you see fit, but this is just regular old sea salt. So first, what I'm going to do is I'm going to, and it's very quick. Hummus is very easy to make on your own. It doesn't take a lot of effort whatsoever, so it's cheaper as well. And my onions and garlic is still a little bit hot, so just gonna put that in there. And then I have my bowl here on the side that I'm gonna put it in once I finish. And we're gonna turn this on. Let me put some oil in here, a little bit of oil, a little bit of salt and pepper. Add my lemon. And I just got it on slow, so I want to make sure it gets all mixed up pretty good. Okay, let's check it. It's a little bit thicker than what I like, so you have to watch that because sometimes it is. So you can either add a little bit more of the chickpea brine, which is what I'm going to do. And I have some here, so I'm just going to add like a tablespoon or so in there, just to loosen it up just a little teeny bit. Okay, let's take it off and check it now. That looks pretty good. So I'm going to take it from out of here. It's at the thickness that I like it. So, and it's pretty smooth. I might blend it for just a couple more seconds. And then just take it out and put it in a container that I'm going to keep it in. It takes longer to get it out of this blender than it does to make it, because it doesn't take all no time to make it. You can get a can of chickpeas for like $1 and a thing of garlic for like $1. So it's really probably about $2.50 to make this, as opposed to buying it for $4 in the grocery store. God knows what in it. And if you buy chickpeas and not buy them in a can, it'll be even cheaper than that. So that is it. We're gonna taste it and see what it tastes like. You can pour a little olive oil on top of it if you want to, and sprinkle a little parsley and there you have it. Let me go get some crackers and we'll do a taste test, so stay tuned. Okay guys, it's time for the taste test, so let's give this hummus a try. And I have two types of crackers here, and I'll let you guys see that I put a shot of it. And this is on the wheat cracker. Very garlicky. You can taste the lemon in it. Can't taste the onion as much, more so just taste, you know. If you like hummus, you know what it tastes like. And then this is on the flaxseed crackers. I like to buy these. Very good. Something good to set out for the holidays for your guests. And while you're preparing to cook, you should always have appetizers that they can eat until it's dinner time. Quick, easy snack for your guests to wait for Thanksgiving dinner. So, so good. I love hummus. And put it out with some carrots and cucumbers or what have you, just so they can have something to eat so they're not hangry, because I get hangry if I'm waiting. And you know, sometimes you go for Thanksgiving at people's houses and the food isn't ready when they say it's going to be ready, and you're there an hour or 2 hours and you're starving. So always have some type of hors d'oeuvres, snacks for them to eat until it's dinner time. Not too much so they get full off of that, but just enough so they're not hungry. Oh yeah. Thank you guys for stopping by my channel. I hope you enjoyed the video. Have a very happy Thanksgiving if you're in the US, or happy holidays if you're not. And yeah, thank you guys for stopping by, and I look forward to seeing you all in my very next video. Bye bye. Let's quick it.